Hello, this is Mac, and I've been spending the past month and a bit, I think, building this botnet sort of program. So this is the server, and we'll let that load. And it should start the server immediately on port 2606, and it's got a lot of features, and of course there's denial of service, stress testing, of course, your own system, and got some server commands: start, stop, change port. That just stops. You'll see later. Terminal, you can clear the terminal. Can send in other commands over the input kernel, or you can copy whatever you've selected. So let's go ahead and build a stub. Well, let me put in my local computer's IP, and I'm gonna uncheck this so it's not going to be visible. And I have decompiled this one to see if I can get the IP address that we've put in here, and so far it's been very helpful and doesn't show anything for security reasons. So let's go not a virus, and I think there we go. So I'm just going to copy that and remove here. Now AVG, it loves to do scans on things, and I know that it's going to come up clean because it's AVG. And I've scanned it with malware bytes, and of course that's clean. Nothing malicious here. I did copy the wrong thing, what the fuck? Oh, I know what's going on. So it's a Visual Studio, that's what's happening. I'll just wait the 15 seconds. Then it should pop up here. Of course you can kick it, and it should join right back. I still haven't defined things where there's no clients on, so I had to build in a little feature for that. I think the shell works. You have the PowerShell, so cmd.exe, start cmd.exe, and send. Okay, PowerShell works. I'm not too certain if I have. I think there are a couple of things. Open and close CD drive. CD drive in my slave computer is a little messed up, so it doesn't always close. We can download a file, and here we just put in the location and the URL. And I have tested this does work, surprisingly. I'm really happy about. You can download file, you can run whatever's in here. You have a file selected, like, let's see. You can play games, tic-tac-toe. It compiles tic-tac-toe, and it puts tic-tac-toe in the temp folder with the rest of the games that is going to be exported. Of course, you can shut it down, log it off, restart. Here, I haven't done the updater yet, but yeah, it's something I'm going to do. You can uninstall, kill the process, show it, and that should show it here. It's not 100% visible, but it's there. Go ahead and hide that. I would appreciate as much feedback as possible. Depending on the feedback, unless this is incredibly crap, then I probably won't bother. But if the feedback is good and people like it, then I'll make this open source. And I know that there are a lot better ones out there, so do forgive me for this being poor quality. I can split the command prompt and it'll run. Yeah, remote command prompt. I've fixed this up from last time, me fucking around with it. Of course we can unsplit that. And hopefully this won't work. Oh good. Bit worried there. Games, let's see. I don't think I've done this, but you should be able to scan for IPs, but I haven't done that yet. And we'll do DDoS, so let me quickly set up a UDP server. Okay, so I've gone ahead and remoted into my server within the slave, and probably exit out of the builder. And I'm going to go to terminal, no server, I forget. UDP, local host, I'm going to change that to the target for stressing 128, and the port, this is on port 72607, maximum threads, and I'm going to just do 1 for the moment, because it is hell, I'll tell you that. Stressing, and update. And it just starts spamming it. Let me just untick that. Hopefully, hopefully it's going to update. Oh boy. This is going to be embarrassing. Okay. Oh, no, stopped. Okay. Let's see. So we're going to... It just takes a few minutes to update sometimes. Because it like kills the computer's CPU. So we're going to kill the application. Just going to go ahead and exit out of this. I believe it should be gone. I'm just going to have to do this manually. Task kill /im. We'll see if the process is there. Not a virus. I think it's .com. And the process not there. Yep. It dumps itself in the startup as well, and it calls itself Windows kernel bootstrap. So if you Google that, it'll just people that don't know much about computers saying this in a legal way as possible. They most likely won't be able to find it unless you tell them where it is. Okay, so we've got that there, and here we go. Let's just clear this, shall we? I'm not going to do this one, but you can find out what that one does on your own. This game guess the number, and it just... Ugh, how boring. You can guess what number it is, and the length of number, check. No, it's not the number. Yeah, fun little game. I just thought it would be something to entertain people. Let's see, what else can we do? I really want to download the file, but I mean, this video is already at 9 minutes, so I'm just gonna... Okay, well that's annoying. Fucking AVG much. Just gonna uninstall it. And when you uninstall it, it should delete the original startup file where the program is running, and it should remove itself out of the startup directory. And I think that the games stay, the games still stay in the temp, because I mean, they aren't very harmful, so they're just games. And I think that is about it. Okay. Oh, stop being stupid, you. Okay, there. I'm going to find a file very quickly to try to download. Okay, I now have, shit, that got removed, didn't it? Let's go ahead and grab that back then. I have something to download. Open. There's download. Okay. Desktop. Actually, no, that's not going to go to the desktop, is it? That's going to go here. Fuck. Okay. What I'll do, copy that. This is cheating, by the way, but it still works. Download. Come on. Username and dot GIF. I think that's a GIF. URL. Where'd you go? This is very buggy. Yep. .gif and download. Oh, that's an issue. No. Well, I think that's just the website, but yeah, it works. I've definitely tested this before. Can I establish trust connection? Yeah, okay, so it's just the website being stupid. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess we'll shut this. Oh, we'll restart it. Why not? That seems fun. As you can see, restart works. And yeah. So I would appreciate as much feedback as possible. If it's absolutely crap, then do let me know, and I won't release this open source and spreading the cancer. But if it's somewhat decent, do say so, like the video or something, and I'll have to make it open source. Ooh, beep. Computer's restarting. And thank you guys for watching.